what's up guys on YouTube? Today I'm making a video on my new phone, as you can see. So it's like the Galaxy phone where they have that thing on the top. Okay, so I'm just in my room. I'll show you. See, look, I'm in my room. My Xbox on. So let's unbox this. So we're unboxing WWE toy. I just took it out. So let me move this blanket. Okay, so now let's set up the toy. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm not even using the real timer. Let me pop. So we opened the toy, guys. Now let's play with them. So they make noises. See, look.
Welcome to Suplex City. You will rest in peace. Undertaker, I don't care.
Look, he's about to knock him out the ring.
You cannot escape the darkness.
Look. Okay guys, I hope you liked this unboxing. So this was Brock Lesnar. And this was the Undertaker. So happy I found out the Undertaker and Brock Lesnar. Ooh, 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 ooh. So I have another, and I just made a video for myself. I'm gonna make a two videos tomorrow, and on the Easter bunny send me something really early. You'll see. So they're about to do a fist bump with their two fish.
I will unleash a fury that no mortal man has ever seen.
Okay guys, that's our new video. Subscribe, keep dabbing on the haters. Dud. Bye. Oh, you thought this video was done? The video isn't done. Cause we're gonna be playing WWE. Okay, so let's play. And just if you guys want to know how to download characters when you first start the game or when you're playing, and then you want to tool the characters, you go right here and you go downloads, and there. This is for Xbox One S. And if you want to search, if on PS4 or Xbox One, press X or square and go right here. I need to do this. I usually do this and write their name. So yeah. So let's do a match. So let's do a 2-on-2 match. Okay. So this is gonna be my character. My character's gonna be, I think it's Triple H, but his name says 2017. And I'm gonna be fighting the Elite. I forgot his name. We're gonna be fighting the Elite Kane and Aztachum. So I'm gonna be him right there. I'm gonna be him, and I'm gonna have to fight the Elite him and the Elite Kane and Aztachum. Ready? Like, he has the coolest entrance ever. That's why I liked him. And he has a tattoo on his shoulder. Wow. Ooh, 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 ooh. And Jonathan, this is my TV. The other TV was not my TV. I don't know why you keep saying that's my TV. We're about to fight. You already know who I am. I don't know why his name is 2017 when I'm actually Triple H. I'm just stepping it. This is how I step it. Look right there. And then I press this and then press that. You press the 3 buttons on the controller.
I'm gonna watch at the end, so I'm not on his.
So about to do the match, and I'm right there, 2017. Ready? So do on top ropes. I'm doing on top ropes. That's how come on. Oh. Yo, you saw me just knock down Tane and Aztachum? Hey Tane, you want some of me? Oh, Aztachum's setting up. What should I do? Oh, look, Aztachum almost got me. Oh, you think you're gonna knock down my partner? Yeah, right. So let me go on top ropes again, guys. Oh, Tane wants some of me. You ain't getting me, Tane. Oh, Aztachum wants me? Oh, Aztachum just knocked me down. I got that up. How's Aztachum beating me? No fair. So I don't know what I should name this video, guys. I might name it play unboxing WWE toys and playing WWE 2K18. So bye guys. Hope you liked this video. Oh, I need to do one more move before I end this video. Oh, I couldn't do it. So bye guys. Peace out. Keep dropping on them haters and goodbye.